What up? Tyler here from TarverAcademy.com. You haven't checked it out? You should. Also want to give a big shout out to LearningBird.com who sponsored this post. So you wouldn't be learning about place value if it wasn't for them. So check them out. So I want to talk to you about place value. That's right. You want to know about it. I want to tell you about it. Okay? This is so good. You're going to love it. Okay? Place value. Let's look at those two words. Place value. Essentially, what this is in our number system, that is each number's location gives it a value. Each place that they're located, they have a value. So let's look at our basic, in the normal human number world of what you'll use. You might get some crazy ones if you get into that crazy engineering stuff. But let's look at our basic numbers and we'll look at the place values. Okay, so in our normal world of numbers, we have a decimal. The first number to the left of it, that would be your ones location. Okay? And then whenever you're counting up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., all the way up to 9, that's still in the ones location. Once you go up to the next level, you guessed it, that's your tens location. All right? Tens location. Anybody want to take a big guess at this one? I heard it! That's right, campers. That's the hundreds location. And I might start scribbling here in a second just to save time. Hundreds location. Next, we're going to put a comma. If you've delved into the number world, making money at the bank, then you've noticed you start putting like little commas in there. A comma will occur every 3 digits. Each of these is called a digit. Every 3 digits, you're going to put a comma. All right? That's just good practice. It allows you to look at a large number and know, okay, we're talking about millions here. We're talking about thousands here. And you don't have to sit there and count all the way through to know what number you're on. Okay? So after hundreds, anybody want to take a guess? That's right. That's the thousands area. Thousands. All right? Here's where it starts getting a little easier. You ready? Next one over is the tens of thousands. 10,000s area. And then you've got your 100,000s. Okay? What comes next? A number, a digit? Oh, no! It's a comma. You're crazy. Anybody know what comes after you've got your ones, tens, hundreds? You got your triplets of thousands. Then come your millions. Millions. $1 million. What's that from? Austin. It's Austin Powers. Caught my hand on my pocket. That's not my fault. It's everybody's fault. Okay, so those are the basic ones you'll use. All right? So we want to look at, I don't have any. Let's just look at that. Homemade eraser. Made it myself. Okay, so let's look at a couple example problems. And then you guys will be free to try it on your own. I don't know why I use that voice. I apologize. Okay? Let's look at this first one. We want to write this number. All right? You've got 409,322. Okay? So first thing I want to do is I want to split it up into essentially my sections. Okay? I want to split it up into the sections of which will be separated by a comma. Okay? So let's start with 409,322. You might want to start at the end. You can start at the beginning and start at the top number and work your way back to the end of the sentence, or we can start at the end. Our last one we know is 22, correct? So if I put 22, I know that's there. Okay, so that's 322. So that means that in the 100 spot, I'm putting a 3. So I've done this, and then 409,000. Okay, I just would write 409, and I know that goes in my thousands location. 409,000, just to check. It's always good to check your answer and reread the question after you feel like you've answered. Don't ever just finish it and then move on, okay? Always reread your question, check your answer. 409,000, check. 322. 322, check. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We got that right. Put an A on your paper. Do it. Seriously, I don't care what your teacher says. Teacher's like, no, put an A. Put an A on your paper. You earned it. Okay? Now, what I want to do here is I want to locate certain numbers out of this, and I want to say, what is their place value? Let's go with 7, 5, and 1. Okay? So 7, it's right here. Bloop. We know our 1's our first one. What is our next one? 10, that's right. I think I heard that guy in the back that never talks. He said it. That's our 10's location. Our 5 is in our, it's the first one past the comma, thousands location. And then our 1. But Tyler, you didn't teach us that one. I don't even know. I don't even know which one it is. I don't know why my voice turned that way. It's 2 times you've heard accents. You're welcome. If that's our millions, let's look at this one. Thousands, tens of thousands, tens of thousands, and hundreds of thousands. Millions. You want to take a guess at this? 10 millions. $10 million. And you just learned what place value is, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to check out learningbird.com, and I thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to tarveracademy.com. What up? Peace! Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out tarveracademy.com.